Ari. Who are you? Who are you?
Guess.
I don't like to see your eye moving.
You're recording.
Hey, look, there's a plane. Orange, what's orange?
It looks so thin. Right?
Yeah. Te antojo.
So. Not cool.
Baby,
What?
love you. I got that. I like your teeth.
What teeth?
When you're biting with,
Why?
they're nice and white. You should combine the Colgate commercial now. I'm recording. Say something. Hello. Say hi, YouTube people. Say hi, YouTube people. Really? Tell them. Fuck you. Fuck you. What up, puto? What up, puto? I'm not the one that's alone. I'm my girlfriend. You're the one, puto. Look at you, how you stand. Look at your hand. Did you do like gay?
Look at how you're sitting.
Like this?
Mira, you're coming out.
Abuelita,
¿Qué para qué sacarnos?
un foto.
Estamos
La Biblia.
de la Biblia.
Luz.
Abuelita, ¿cómo se persina? Porque le tomo foto, a ver. Hágale. Hágale. Persina. ¿Cómo le hace con el dedo?
¿Qué tú cómo te
¿Cómo le hace con el dedo?
Así, ¿verdad, abuelita?
Así mira,
Ok, luego.
así mira, por la señal de la Santa Cruz de nuestros enemigos. Líbrame, Señor Dios nuestro, en el nombre del Padre, del Hijo, del Espíritu Santo, amén. Para que nos libre de los...
Es chamuco como yo, ¿verdad?
Líbrame, Señor.
¿Qué?
Así.
The people should look for you.
I don't care. Aquí también hay católicos. What? I didn't see that. I see heads. Stupid white people.
I'm gonna bite you.
You wanna bite me? Go ahead.
Wait, I can't see the picture guys.
I'm recording. Babe, I love you. Alright, stupid white people. I see white people. I see white heads. White people are cool though. Look at him. Look at him. He's scratching his head. Look at him. What else do people do around here, babe?
Stop stalking people.
I'm not stalking people. We got two lovers right there. Look at them.
Where?
Right there. Is she carrying his penis?
It looks like it.
Looks like it. His hand is in his pocket. Anyways, keep going around. What else do we see? What's over there? Nobody's sitting in that chair. Some lady doing something to her kid. I don't know. I don't know. There's nothing going on. This park is lame.
It's not even a park.
Well, whatever it is. Well, gotta go. We'll keep looking at more people. I guess scratching their heads. I guess. I don't know. Scratch your head, guy.
The freak show.
Freak show. Is it a freak show? Baby.
What?
Love you. Hold on. Too zoomed in. Wait, there we go. Oh.